your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
This is a good look from the Cortez Bridge webcam. Put it into motion. You know the Cortez Bridge, kind of our canary in the coal mine in terms of any kind of sea fog formation. And as of this morning, it doesn't look too terribly bad. Although patchy fog is possible over the course of the next couple of hours, mainly in inland areas. I really don't see a big problem along the coast this morning compared to where we were yesterday. 59 degrees, the air temperature slightly cooler than 24 hours ago with a dew point of 57 degrees. Pretty close together, but still enough distance between the two with the wind coming out of the east at about 6 to kind of stir the atmosphere a little bit and maybe reduce that fog threat a tad. Warm and dry today. We'll look for a temperature around 7 a.m. of 62. By 12 p.m. it'll be close to the 70-degree mark, and then as we head into the afternoon, 3 p.m., we will have definitely hit 70 degrees and well on the way to a daytime high of about 78. Not much in the way of any kind of rainfall across our region. Back to the west, though, we do have some showery activity in progress. Part of a warm front lifting north, cold Arctic air sinking south, the two clashing along a cold front and producing the potential of some severe weather back there. So we get some of the blow-off cloud cover from that system moving across the state, and that's what we're seeing this morning. Some of that cloud cover can be thicker at times, kind of giving the sky a kind of milky appearance, but there are also plenty of holes in these clouds, and I think as we heat the atmosphere and start to mix up that layer, we'll start to see a lot more sunshine as we head into the afternoon. So I know a fair amount of people, including myself, will be out there at 1:30 trying to see the contrail from the Falcon Heavy rocket lifting off, a new era in space exploration for the United States. And I think the weather will be okay for that. We have about a 30% cloud cover. So, you know, between the clouds, I think we'll get a pretty good view. Let's hope. We have some showers back to the west. As I mentioned, that could be a problem if you're traveling to, say, Houston or Dallas or areas around the Big Easy. Could be some problems with showers, maybe even some severe weather in those locations. Heavy snow in the northeast, 6 to 12 inches at higher elevations and along the lake effect snow belts. And back to the west, check it out, 3 feet of snow in parts of upstate Washington state. High pressure, the dominant weather feature for the mid-Atlantic and the southern tip of the peninsula, though. So we're looking pretty good here, I think, in terms of any kind of rainfall today. That's not to say we won't see any rain at all this week. We may. We have a frontal boundary back to the west, the one potentially creating severe weather. That one gradually drifts to the east, and as it does so, drags a cold front closer to the state. That front will kind of fall apart as it moves through here tomorrow into Thursday, but we could get an isolated shower or two in inland areas. Warm afternoon highs, only isolated showers over the next 3 or 4 days, and some patchy morning fog again tomorrow is certainly possible. We're looking at generally some nice boating weather today. A little bit of cloud cover out there, but that's okay. Southeast wind at about 10, not real strong. Shifting to the west in the afternoon with that sea breeze coming in out of the southwest, and then overnight tonight, east at about 10. We'll look for a light chop with just 2-foot seas. Pretty decent boating weather, I'd say. Forecast for today, daytime high tops out around 78 degrees. Nighttime low tomorrow, a bit warmer. That warmer air will help to erode away the possibility over the next several days of some patchy fog, but tomorrow morning it still might be in the picture. As we head into Saturday, we may cloud up a little bit overnight into Sunday, and a chance of rain showers, probably the best of the week, and still only 30% Sunday night into Monday with the next front coming through. Back to you.